Hey, hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Nicole and today we have a Boxycharm unboxing. Now, I haven't done a Boxycharm unboxing in quite some time just because my boxes get to me so late. Before the pandemic, the boxes were getting to me like around the 10th of each month. Now I feel like they're coming out at like the 22nd, 29th, like really close to the end of the month. So at that point, there's no really need to upload a Boxycharm video in my opinion. But this month, I actually got my boxes on the 15th, which is quite early compared to how I was getting them. And I think obviously that has something to do with the pandemic, and that is understandable. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, I'm just gonna briefly mention it. It is a monthly subscription box where you can sign up. There are a couple of different tiers. You have your base, your premium, and then you have Boxy Luxe. This month you'll get Boxy Premium and Boxy Base if you have signed up for both subscriptions. With Boxy Base you will get 5 full-size products and it is $25 a month, and for Boxy Premium it is $35 a month and you can get 6 to 7 full-size products. So I don't really know exactly what's going to be in my boxes, to tell you the truth. I can't even remember what choices I made. So if you're excited to see what I got in my boxes, then hang out with me and let's just check it out. Okay guys, so I want to just apologize first of all if I'm out of the frame for most of this video. I do apologize. I'm trying a new setup here. Anyways, I'll get it right. Okay, so I'm going to start with my base box, obviously. This is she. And I haven't opened it at all. And for weight reference, it is 0.83 kilograms and the measurements are 23 by 18 by 10 centimeters. This month's theme is sweet treats. And my version, it is C21, which stands for 2021-04, which is for April 23/BA. That is my box number. So let's just start. So for the first product, we have a unicorn dust. It's by Trend Beauty. Just gonna open it up here. This is what it looks like on the inside. So you got 3 highlighters, Fantasy, Mystical, and Dreamer. So it's Trend Beauty. It is to get the magical unicorn glow with a trio highlighter palette that features 3 shades of unicorn magic. These shimmering powders will add the perfect sparkle to your face, and it actually just retails for $12.50. So the next product we have is Natasha Denona, and I know this because I do remember, I believe this was one of my choices, and I actually thought I chose the more neutral one. I really did, but maybe I didn't. Anyways, this is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. She's right here. Honestly, I'm so happy that I got this one. I have tons of neutral palettes in my collection, so I'm so happy to actually have this one. This is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette, special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm. Features 5 colorful ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between the bold pastel tones. This fun palette is packed with Natasha's iconic buttery smooth formulas made with the highest quality and pure color pigment. Dazzling chroma, crystals, and luminous pearls. Use it for a variety of creations. From a playful, colorful, modern look to an everyday wear with a pop of color. Suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free and allergen-free. And this retails for $48. Oh. This is so creamy. I'm going to swatch the colors on the back of my hand here. Guys, look at these colors. They are super pretty and so creamy. And that's what they mean by the Natasha Denona formula. It's like bomb, guys. Okay, guys, so my next product is the Icy Sherbet, I'm pretty sure. Primer, and it is by Touch and Soul. It is silicone-free cooling effect primer. So it's Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Primer. Lock your looks in place and keep them cool with this icy primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied. It hydrates and preps the skin for makeup. The formula is silicone-free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth, and it retails for $32. This is the package. Very like K-beauty. Very girly. So cute. Oh, it smells like roses. It smells like my rose quartz hair mask. Oh wow, it smells beautiful. I love this. Just gonna try a bit of it on the back of my hand. It feels really, really nice. It feels like a jelly pack. It feels like almost identical to the Wet n Wild Impossible primer, but it doesn't seem to dry down as quickly. Wowzers, I'm actually really gonna like that, and it is super cooling to the skin. The texture is like no other, guys. Look at the texture of this. It's not gonna like fall out at all. It is just like beautiful. It's a beautiful product to look at. I'm excited to give that a try. That is really, really nice. And it's silicone free, guys. Like, I love that primers are silicone free. Smooth skin texture and gives you that silky, fine-tuned finish. Yes. All right, let's see what else do we have in here. Okay, we have this body cleanser. So this is an organic, low foaming, aromatic and soft cleanser, suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. And it retails for $22, guys. This is the brand right here. The ingredients looks pretty good, guys. And I don't have a lot of shower gels in my collection, so this is okay for me. Whoa, it's really, really hard to open. I don't think I can open it. So it doesn't have a seal on it though. Like, I can just squirt this out. Like, it doesn't have a seal on it. It smells very clean. I don't mind the scent at all. The texture is very, guys, this is weird. But like, you know, it has like, can you see this? Watch. I don't think you can see this. It kind of feels very much like a hand sanitizer would, you know, like gel-like. But, I mean, from that primer and that shower cream, is this a shower lotion? What is this called? It's a body cleanser. It's just called a body cleanser. Well, that feels really, really nice on my skin. It's very citrusy, but very natural. Like, I'm not mad at it. I am really, really not mad at it. Guys, I am pleased with my box. I can't say there's like anything in this. Oh, there's one more thing. This is a Dragon Beauty. This is in the color lavender, and it is a corrector. So this is Dragon Beauty. It's a Dragon Fire color corrector. Helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Saturated with vitamin E and vitamin A, it blends effortlessly and offers customizable light to full coverage to make your makeup look even more flawless. Apply it anywhere you would like to correct and neutralize. Blend with a flat concealer brush or a beauty sponge. After it sets, apply foundation as normal, and it retails for $25. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Like, I don't own anything from Dragon Beauty, so I definitely will give this a try. I do have a lot of blueness under my eyes. I do believe purple is meant to kind of neutralize yellow, but you know what? That's okay. I'll give it a try. I'm always down for a good corrector. So I just want to say, like, I added up the total of my box, and the total was $139.50. That's amazing, guys. I'm totally happy with my box this month. There have been boxes in the past where I've just been like, yeah, no thank you. But this one actually brought me back, because I was like this close to like maybe canceling Boxycharm, but like this one is like redeeming itself, okay? It's redeeming itself. I'm happy. And I paid $25 for it, and like I said, $139.50, not a bad deal. Okay, guys, on to my premium box, and I have no idea what's in here. So just want to say what the measurements and weight are. So the weight is 1.44 kilograms, and the measurements are 28 by 25 by 10 centimeters. Okay, so the theme again is Boxycharm Sweet Treats. My box number, variation number I should say, is C2104211/PM, whatever that means. Okay, to start things off, we have this. This is Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. Interesting. So it says here, it's Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Lip Duo. 2 crystal ball lip glosses infused with real crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras Guys, I'm illiterate, I swear. Real crystal roller ball applicator designed to cool and soothe lips. As your roll, find love with rose quartz. But as your roll. Oh, maybe it's supposed to be as you roll, but there's like a typo. Find love with rose quartz. For good energy and healing properties, heal yourself with amethyst. This crystal uses healing powers and balancing to keep you cool, calm, and collected. That is so interesting, guys. Anyways, guys, this is the lip duo right here. Sorry, I can't even get it open right now. It has these crystals inside, suspended inside of a clear gloss. That is super, super, super interesting. And this is by Nails Inc. London. Oh, and this retails for $24. Oh, wait a second. Oh, I am pleasantly surprised. Boxycharm, to what do I owe this amazingness that you're gifting me this month? Like, seriously. Not only did I get the Jubilee palette, guys, I also got the Coral palette from Natasha Denona. Like, they must have been reading my mind knowing that I was going to cancel. They're like, let's spoil her this month. Wowzers, guys, I'm so excited. So this is the Natasha Denona Coral Eyeshadow Palette, a 5-pan eyeshadow palette that features 5 buttery soft shades that blend seamlessly in order to create a vibrant, ultra-pigmented, long-lasting looks. And it retails for $48. My word. Look at this, guys. I got a neutral one, and I got a colorful one. This is what I thought. I thought I chose this. So the Jubilee one was like a surprise to me. But wowzers, it looked super neutral online, but like when I see it in the person, it's still neutral, but like she's beautiful. And this purple shade, that is my shade. I want to show you that. Oh, this palette is for me. Like, yes. Yes, ma'am. Look at these swatches. And guys, this shade down here, this shade right here, that is my tone. Like, I love these colors. Like, that is beautiful. And then this shade right here, wow. Love, 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 love. Thank you. Wow. I have, my Natasha Denona collection is like really growing, guys. Like, she's growing and I ain't mad about it. No, sorry. Okay, guys, so the next one is by Fenty. So I just pulled it out of the box, and it is the Soft Matte Primer, Pro Filter Primer by Fenty. Looks like this. And I already own this product. I already purchased this one like a while ago, I think maybe when it first released. It's not a bad primer, but I have aging skin and I have huge pores, and I tend to be a little bit more on the dry side. So this product is really, really not for me. I definitely will be passing this one on. But wowzers, if you like primer and you have oily skin, you may really, really like this product. So let me just tell you what it says. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, a universal makeup primer for all skin types. It says it's for all skin types, but I felt it was a little bit drying in my opinion. This shine-stopping, pore-diffusing primer smooths the way for better foundation application and longer wear with an instant retouch effect. And it retails for $32. Now, I want to give mine a try again. Like, it's been a while since I've tried it. I just want to retry it again, but from what I remember, I wasn't a huge fan of that primer. I know I don't like the matte foundation either. I do like the hydrating one though. So anyways, that is an amazing product to have in your box, needless to say. So let's see what else we have here. This is by Wonder Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. Minimum effort, maximum result. It has retinoid and squalene in it. It says do not disturb overnight repair concentrate. Amps up that natural renewal process, maximizing your time between the sheets while you sleep. 1% retinol helps diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Wow, I actually love to get skincare, and I love to get makeup too, and this is where Boxycharm gets me. Like, you know, gets me right right where it hurts in a good way. Oh wow, look at this packaging, guys. Super, super bougie. I like this. I like this a lot. Wonder Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate retails for $68. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I will take that. Skincare. Can't go wrong with skincare, man. I don't even have any retinoid right now, I don't believe. I'm not quite sure. In my skincare collection right now. If I do, ain't nothing wrong with having more retinoid in your life. You need retinol in your life. So next in the box we have Dose of Colors with an eyeliner. And now I've seen some people getting like other colors like green and stuff, but I got dark roast, like dark roast coffee, and I am in search of a brown liner. Oh, so this is the packaging right here. Like, that is super cute, right? It looks like a pen. It looks like I have to like roll up a pen. That is really, really cute. I really like Dose of Colors. And this is what it looks like in the tube. And then I will swatch it. Oh, she is creamy. That, I am going to love this. Look at this. Chocolatey goodness for the waterline. The Dose of Colors eyeliner. This long-wearing creaming eyeliner glides on easily, delivering a transfer-resistant, high-coverage matte finish, built-in sharpener included, and it retails for $15. Again, thank you, Boxycharm. Another item I will definitely use. Okay, so here we have a Murad Hydrating Toner, and I already own this toner. So, and I haven't even used it yet, but I did purchase it. So the mere fact that I purchased it must tell you that I'm interested in the product. Boxycharm didn't know I purchased it, so had I not already owned it, I would have been super stoked to receive this. So let's just see what it says here. It says Murad Hydrating Toner, an ultra hydrating alcohol-free toner, instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps to replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin, and it retails for $35. Again, like, does this have an expiry date on here? Because I have one already. It's probably going to take me a long time to use it, so I don't know. I don't see an expiry date here, so maybe it doesn't expire. It says 12 months, but I think that's after opening, so I will not open it, okay? And that includes everything in my premium box. Okay guys, so I added up the total for my premium box, and the retail value is $222, and I paid $35 for this box. So yes, I definitely do think that this was worth it. Absolutely. I am so happy, and I have not been this happy with Boxycharm in quite some time. So they really made my weekend. It's Friday, and like, that just made me really happy. Put me in a good mood to get products that I actually want and will use. Yeah. So guys, that's everything for my video today. And if you like this video and you like me, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It is absolutely free to do so. Let me know down in the comments, is there anything in my box that you really, really like? Are you considering signing up for Boxycharm? Yeah, let me know your thoughts on that. Anyways, guys, until next time, ciao.